Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another Proto Tech Tip, and in case you haven't figured it out by now, my name's Chris, and today's tech tip, this is going to be a quick one about two awesome updates that we just made to the Instant Quoter tool. Let's just get right into it. Now at Protocase and Protospace MFG, we understand that working with tight deadlines can be super stressful, and waiting around for quotes on custom parts and enclosures really isn't going to help that situation. We also get it that you're going to need solutions that can keep up with you in such fast-paced environments. Well, that's where HVMC, high velocity mass customization, really comes in handy. With digital tools like the Instant Quoter, which is all about helping you boost your velocity and getting things done quickly, you can get quotes for your designs in just seconds. But here's the exciting part. We've made the Instant Quoter even better with two very important updates. The first update lets you upload SolidWorks files as pack and go assemblies, solid part and solid assembly as zip files, directly into the Instant Quoter. No more wasting time converting files. Just upload them and focus on what really matters, which is bringing your design ideas to life. Now previously you could get an instant quote for step and IGES files, but if you were designing in SolidWorks you had to save your file as a step and then upload it to our Instant Quoter tool. Now it's a small process update, but we're all about making sure that you don't run into any delays when you're working with us. The second update, well, the Instant Quoter isn't just in my account anymore. You can now find it right on the Request a Quote page on our website. When you head over to the Request a Quote page, you'll now see three different options. Instant Quoter, where you can quickly get an instant quote, Reorder, to easily place a new order for parts that you've ordered before, and New Design, for sharing detailed information of a brand new design. Choose either of the latter two options and you'll get an accurate quote within 1 business day for sheet metal parts. But if you are in a hurry, no problem, just use the Instant Quoter to get one right away. When you click on the Instant Quoter option, you can then upload your file and fill in a few basic details. And that's it, your quote's going to pop up. Once you've got your quote, feel free to edit things like the metal type, finishes, size, quantity, or even service level if required. Just make your changes and you'll be automatically given a new quote. It's just as simple as that. You can then save your quote in My Account to have it emailed to you, or keep going and add more details. Now once you're happy with your quote and ready to place an order, you can do this directly through the My Account portal, or just send the quote over to info@protocase.com or info@protospacemfg.com. Now if you've got any questions, feedback, or suggestions about the Instant Quoter, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email at info@protocase.com or info@protospacemfg.com, or get in touch with your account manager directly. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time. Take care.